Good morning, 6th and 7th graders. Happy Monday. Today is May 11th, and I'm coming to you with another update. I'm going to start doing these weekly now on Mondays because Mondays are now Makeup Mondays, where you can go back through previous weeks and see if you are missing anything. This video will include both 6th and 7th grade assignments that need to be completed. And I will show you an easy way to access those assignments once I've gone through this presentation. All of the social studies assignments are posted on Google Classroom, and I wanted to put a special reminder in there that all of the social studies assignments have a 2-week shelf life, meaning they are expected to be completed and turned in within 2 weeks of their assigned date. If not, the assignment will result in a 0. So for example, an assignment that was given on last Friday, May 1st, is expected to be completed and turned in within 2 weeks or 14 days, which would be this Friday, May 15th. So starting with our assignments that are going to expire the quickest, I have here at the top the date the assignment was given and when it's going to expire. So I'm going to start with the assignments that were assigned first, which means they're going to expire or turn to zeros first. So on the left-hand side, we have 6th grade, and on the right-hand side, we have 7th grade. So 6th grade and 7th grade, everybody is expected to complete the CNN 10 warm-up. Yes, each day they do mention some aspect of the coronavirus, but it is very, very brief lately. Not so much conversation about that. They've been doing a lot of virtual field trips. So anyone that might feel uncomfortable watching it, you can skip the coronavirus parts and focus your attention on the other stories and answer the question of the day from there. So everybody is responsible for completing a CNN 10 warm-up every day. 6th graders, you were given a assignment through Google Forms, World Region Map Comparisons. This is going to be part of your 10-point virtual workbook. Remember, you don't have a physical paper workbook that I make copies of anymore. I have transferred them to be online through Google Forms. So whenever you see in the assignment, this is part of your virtual workbook. Remember, the virtual workbooks are worth 10 points. So make sure that you are jumping on those. 7th grade, same thing. You have part of your virtual workbook, the Foraging Lifeway Stories. That was a Google Doc that asked you to write down or type important ideas from the story or questions that you have. Remember, Google Docs do not automatically get turned into me. You have to physically go and click the turn in button in Google Classroom. Tuesday, April 28th, this assignment expires Tuesday, May 12th at 11:59. Everybody, again, is a CNN 10 warm-up. Both sets of grades had NWEA map skills. Make sure that you're logging into map skills for at least 30 minutes every Tuesday. For me, Fridays for Miss MacArthur. And there is a question that goes along with it to check in, just to hold yourself accountable so I can see who's checking the assignment, who's logging into NWEA map skills. 6th grade, you had a short additional assignment where you had to read an article about the Great Lakes region and answer a short question about why the Great Lakes are considered a region. Wednesday, April 29th, this assignment expires Wednesday, May 13th. 6th grade, you had a virtual worksheet through the Google Forms about different time zones across the world and the United States. And 7th grade, you had a Google form about different shelters that foragers use, specifically caves and mammoth huts. That is a Google form. Thursday, April 30th, expires Thursday, May 14th. Both grades were given study guide notes to complete. Remember, if you do not have the original study guide given by me, as long as you write down the notes and answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper so that you have those to accompany you when you do the quiz, that's perfectly fine. And each grade has a quizzes review to log in and complete. Friday, May 1st expires Friday, May 15th. Both grades, it was a current event Friday. So you had Junior Scholastic on the Road to Extinction about animal species and becoming endangered and extinct. Monday, May 4th expires. Monday, May 18th. Again, a Makeup Monday. This was our first Makeup Monday where you had the opportunity to go back and check what was missing and complete any missed assignments. Tuesday, May 5th expires May 19th. Map skills check-in. Again, 30 minutes of map skills a day. Don't worry about trying to rush through and completing everything. Just give it 30 minutes of good, solid map skills work and answer the question, yes, I did. No, I did not. Wednesday, May 6th expires May 20th. This is a big one because you both had a quiz to take. Several students from both grades did not complete the lesson 4 quiz. That was our first virtual quiz since going online. They received zeros. Please make sure that by the 20th, so in 9 days, you have this completed. Thursday, May 7th expires May 21st. You were given your big 3 for lesson 6 to be written in your study guide. Again, I put that in quotation marks because whether or not you have the original study guide or you're just writing it on any scrap piece of paper and keeping it safe until that next assessment, does not matter as long as the notes get written in and done. And finally, last Friday, May 8th expires May 22nd. You got a Flashback Friday, Death by Molasses, about the molasses flood in Boston. So that is what we have for the last 2 weeks. The easiest way to access these missing assignments is to go into Google Classroom. Now, I had 6th and 7th grade is going to be completely the same, okay? So you're going to click on classwork at the top of your stream. And the way I have everything organized now is by date. So you're going to want to scroll down till you get to the 27th, which is when all of this started, okay? Same with 7th grade. Click on classwork and scroll down to the 27th, okay? If it is colored, so meaning it is orange or blue, that means the assignment is not done. So make sure that you click on those assignments. If the assignment is gray, you've completed the assignment. So be on the lookout for anything that is still colored. That means do me now, okay? So I'm going to show you a classroom where I am the student, not the teacher. So in my classwork, see how these are gray? These are assignments that I have turned in. If I click on this one that is orange, it shows that it's missing. So you're going to want to look for those colored assignments that are going to show you what you're missing. And make sure you start with the earliest date, which starting from this Monday is Monday, April 27th. I hope this video was helpful. Please use this Makeup Monday to your advantage and double check your work and make sure that your assignments are getting completed and turned in on time. We are 5 short weeks before school is done for the year. So keep that in mind that we only have 5 more weeks of virtual education for the school year. If you have any questions, you guys have my cell phone number. You have my email. Be checking your student emails. Those are active now. I will be sending reminders to students that have missing assignments to their student emails. So make sure you're checking those. Know that I'm thinking about you every single day and that I miss you and I'm here for you to help you with whatever you need, whether it's social studies related or if you just want to talk. Okay? I love you guys and make use of your Makeup Monday. Bye.